So my wife and I can't talk enough about how much we love this company, Rocco and Roxie. We get so many products from them, pet products, cleaning products, you name it. And they have just remarkable quality, remarkable user-centric care. And now we're reviewing the Oxy Stain multi-purpose, powerful multi-purpose cleaner. Every surface certified gentle and safe. Let's look at the ingredients real fast, Mama. So we're not looking at anything that has any, it's 100% guaranteed. If stains and odors, talk about standing behind your product, neither is your money. So they'll return your money. And if you look at the ingredients, you don't see thousands of chemicals and, poisonous, toxic, substances. You see really kind of earthy, organic particles and ingredients. I think that's really, really cool. What are you reading there, babe?
Directions, pre-test. So if it's on a colored surface, test it first so it doesn't, fade out the color. I've never had a problem with that. So you can use it on both hard surfaces or it's a carpet cleaner. Made in the USA. So we're gonna have to, there's an on and off.
Oh, there's a safety?
So there's a spray and then there's a stream.
Right. So we got some dusty kind of soot.
So it smells.
How does it smell?
It smells like a natural cleaner. It doesn't smell like a strong,
yeah, it smells
chemical
good
scent.
actually. Oh, that smells actually really good.
Yeah, it has kind of, what is that?
Almost like a sagey.
Yeah, it smells
smell?
like a natural.
Thyme?
It smells like a natural cleaner. It doesn't smell like you're, like you don't want to breathe it in.
Right. We just can't talk enough about this company. We love Rocco and Roxie Supply Co.
We have kids, we have pets. I don't want to be using, bleach on lots of surfaces or harsh cleaners. I would prefer to use something that's a little more natural, that's not gonna, leave fumes in the air or...
Yeah, you care about your kids breathing that stuff. I mean, this stuff is phenomenal. Look how clean that is. What do you say, Mama? You're kind of the clean PhD. My wife is, there isn't a person on planet Earth that knows more about cleaning than she does. So if she endorses this product, I highly recommend it. Right, babe?
It smells great. It works. And it's non-toxic. So
highly recommend.
definitely.